شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب.
Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we will proceed for the third part of our air pump demonstration. In the first part, we understand why we are making the projects and how it is helpful for your studies. In the second part, we study each and every part and its importance and its dimensions and its uses. Now we will study how the air pump how to make the business with the air pump and how air pump is important in the life and where you have observed this. What happens, suppose one day you are taking you have a cycle, and once you are running the cycle, you find that your tire is get punctured. Tire has no air. What do you do? Or suppose you find the car of your father is the tire is shrinked off. You cannot run the car, so you immediately take to the petrol pump. What happened? पेट्रोल पंप पे क्या होता है? How your tire gets filled? उसमें पेट्रोल क्यों नहीं डालते टायर में? But we take a long tube and we fill the air. What is this process? What is this? And from where this air comes? Why can't you fill from your mouth? So actually, your car, your dad's car, needs a lot of air. Your bicycle needs a high pressure air, which is not possible to pump from the mouth. That is why we take from the pump or air pump or the petrol pump. And because at the petrol pump you can see the big pipe. It is actually the pipe of air which comes out from the air pump. Like you had designed your air pump. Similarly, there is a same of bigger size air pump is available at the petrol pump. But how this mechanism works, how your mouth is similar to the air pump. When you see the balloon, you can see how you fill the balloon. You pick the balloon between the two lips and then you puff this. So what is this puff? Actually, this puff is the pump. This puff is the pump. From where this air comes? Where in the body, where is the motor? Where is the pump? Your lung is the pump. So lungs जो है shrink हो जाता है and push the air outside, which comes from your mouth, esophagus, to the mouth and fills in the balloon. So now see this picture. This is your pump of your human body. Similar pump is of your cycle pump or whatever the air pump which we are using. It is like this. Now you can see this is the actual balloon pump. This green color is a balloon pump. This black color is a cycle pump. This is a mechanical pump. Now whatever the pump, my air pump is a similar pump you have made. Actually, we have earlier planned for the round one, but now rectangle was more beautiful, so we have taken the rectangle shape. This is the motor and the pump. This is the circuit. Circuit is very important. Please be careful while making the circuit and you understand, inshallah, it will be more easier. Now, what after that? Now, there is a question and answer. Oh, means you are having question answer in the robot also, in the robotics. Okay. So these questions are very good for you. Now, what is the first question? Where does Allah describe air in Quran? Allah ने कुरान में air कहाँ पे describe? Air pump नहीं, air का कहाँ जिक्र? Is it in Surah Ikhlas? No. Is it in Surah Zuha? No. It is in Surah Mursalat? Yes. Just you go to Surah Mursalat on juz number 29, you find it. Second question, what is the Arabic name of air? Kalbun? No, kalbun means dog. Baqara, it means cow. No. Hawa. Hawa means air. Yes, hawa in Arabic is similar to what is air in the English. Who created the air? Who created this air? It is Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam created the air by the miracle, or angels are creating the air by their wings, or who? It is Allah. It is Allah who created the air by their power. Allah is وَخَلَقَ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ. Allah is the only creator. Not this air, but your air pump is created by Allah. How? See, what is this? Frame is made of aluminium. Aluminium comes from the mining. Who made this aluminium in the mine? It is Allah. Who made this copper in the sand? It is Allah. Who made this battery? It is Allah. So Allah is the only creator here. Only Allah is the creator. So this air is created by Allah. Now question in the science comes which has some relation with the pump is, what are the three states of matter? A matter is there, it has a three states. What are the three? One they mentioned is solid. So solid is there. What are the other two? It is a liquid and third is a gas. Like if you see when ice is there, it is a solid form of water. Liquid form is a liquid, and air is when it becomes a vapor. So solid, liquid and gas. Name the device which supplies the air. आपको air कौन देता है? अल्लाह तो देता है, लेकिन फैन से आती है, ट्यूबलाइट से आती है कि कंप्यूटर से आती है? No, it is from fan. आप on करेंगे fan, you can see it is from the fan. What is the function of air condition? Air condition, whether it heats the air? No, it cools the air. Actually, air condition जो है, it heats the air also. But we in Mumbai or in the cities, it is difficult to see. But if you go to Kashmir and other region, there are air conditions. Or in Gulf countries, the air condition have both the properties. In the winter, they can give the cool air. In the summer, they can give the cool air. In the winter, they give the hot air. So air condition means condition the air. So sometimes it gives a cool air, and so you can take both the options. Now there's a maths. Maths is always there. So don't run away from the maths. Even when the life is finished, when this world is over, Allah will take only one subject at the day of judgment. That will be maths. That will be hisab. Allah will take a hisab. May Allah make it easy for. What is the dua for making our maths easy? Maths of Allah. Allahumma hasibni hisabi yansira. Oh Allah, make my maths. Oh Allah, make my easier on the day of judgment. So this maths is very important. So don't run away. Like this is a very easy way. If you understand this project, no, it will be very easy. Inshallah, very simple. I will explain you. Measure the diameter. So here diameter is not there, but overall dimension is there. What is the length? Length is the height. It is 15 centimeter. So it's very easy. You measure it. What is the width? It is 7.5 centimeter. And what is the depth? It is 3.8 centimeter. Okay. So this is the one part of the, we can say, geometry. Now it is a costing. It is a simple mathematics, addition. Find the total cost of the air pump. If आपके air pump कितने का होगा भाई? Motor cost will be 100 rupees. Suppose this motor is 100 rupees. Pump will be 250 rupees. Circuit and switch will be 100 rupees. Storage tank means frame body is 300. This pipe is 50 rupees. What will be the cost if you add 100 plus 250 plus 100 plus 300 plus 50? This is known as a addition. You are manufacturing something, so you must add it. You are not taking out something. So it is, we only add it. So when you add all the thing, this will be 800 rupees. 800. Just give the name A. Now just we explain for a higher standard, 9th or 10th or 8th, you might be hearing what is the GST and all that, no? So it is actually what is the cost of your manufacturing. It is government is add the tax on that, on the MRP. So what is this tax? It is the GST. The GST has two components, two parts. One is a state GST, one is a central GST. GST full form is goods and service taxes. G for goods, S for service, and T for tax. Goods and service tax. S for state. State government is when they give the facilities to us for making the roads and schools and train. So this cost comes from the SGST. This is 9% of the total cost. In some of the component it will be more than that or maybe less, but it is 9% in the pump. So what will be the 9%? Actually, you multiply 0.09. It is a multiplication. So multiply 0.09 means 9% in a 9 divided by 100. Multiply by A. A is what? The total cost of your pump. It is the 800 rupees. So if you multiply in 0.09 into A, 800 by 0.09, it will become 72. Same is for CGST in central and Delhi government is giving some some facilities to us, so they charge to our army cost is coming from central GST. And similarly, when we launch the satellite and we purchase some budgets or we make airports, all these costs will be taken care by the central government probably. So that cost will come from the central GST. So multiply by 0.09 from May, it will be again 72. And if you have anything of 800 rupees manufacturing cost, you can sell to 944, A plus B plus C. So inshallah, if you understand this, you can easily understand mathematics of 12th standard costing very easily. Now, question number 3 is a very important question. Now, inshallah, if you want to start a business of air pump, please do the costing. यानी आपने भी air pump बनाया, अब बड़े हो गए, engineer बन गए, माशाल्लाह. And your father wants you to become, to have business. So you want to have an air pump. You remind, okay, for 5th standard, I make one air pump at ICRA. So now I start a business of air pump for airport or for maybe for petrol pump. I will make an air pump. How you start? You make the air pump, but how? So first of all, it is we can say business calculation or material calculation. So material cost, suppose you make a big air pump, which will be approximately cost you 2000 rupees. आपने एक बड़ा एयर पंप बनाया और वो 2000 रुपए का बन रहा है ना. ये 2000 रुपए की मटेरियल, उसके मटेरियल आ रहे हैं, उसके बॉडी आ रही है एंड मोटर इज. व्हाट विल बी द लेबर कॉस्ट? व्हेन यू मैन्युफैक्चर एनीथिंग, देयर विल बी 3 कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व. वन इज अ मटेरियल कॉस्ट, उसके मटेरियल क्या है, इसका एल्यूमिनियम क्या है, इसका फ्रेम क्या है. वन इज अ लेबर. अभी इसे प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के टाइम पे जब आप लेबर कर रहे हैं, उसको जब ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, यू आर ज्वाइनिंग समथिंग, यू आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, दैट इज अ लेबर because it is your own pump, hence you are not counting that. But once you are manufacturing for someone else, then you count this. So you are working, it is a 30%. It is a thumb rule that approximately labor cost is 30% of the material cost. The 30% any 3 divided by 100. It will be 0.3. 3 divided by 30 divided by 100, sorry. So it will be 30 divided by 100 is 0.3. Then multiply by 2000, that will be 600 rupees. So one pump you are manufacturing with a labor of 600 rupees. Now miscellaneous costs. What is a miscellaneous? Miscellaneous है क्या? Miscellaneous है क्या? समझ जाना. Miscellaneous मिला जुला, whatever other than labor and material, like electricity, like land cost, rent. Suppose you are taking a big company, so that company needs some money. You have to pay some rent. Similarly, when you are using electricity for drilling, for manufacturing, you need air, fan, AC. So that electricity will cost approximately 10% of the total material cost. And आपके जो material हैं जितने के आ रहे हैं उसके 10% लगेंगे. This will be very difficult terms, but inshallah, once you take in practice from now onwards, you have to become a very big engineer and doctor and very high businessman. So learn from now. You are not a small. Don't think that is very difficult. It is very practical. So multiply by 0.1 and 10% with 2000 rupees. So it will be 200. So आपके electricity bill, आपके rent वगैरह, it will be approximately 200. So whenever anything manufacture, it involves 3 costs. Material cost, उसके जो चीजें लग रही हैं, उसमें labor cost, उसमें जो मेहनत लग रही है, उसमें third, उसमें जो electricity लग रही है, उसमें land जो लग रहे हैं, that is a material cost. Now add all this thing. This red in color, which shows that 2000 plus 600 plus 200. It is 2800 rupees. One cost, one pump will be 2800 में बनाया. Now understand, आपने 2800 रुपए में बनाया. वो you manufacture one pump. Now you want to sell it. Sell ने बेचेंगे ना आप उसको. तो sell करेंगे तो ही profit है. If you keep it with you, store is no use. So you sell it off. Now tell me, if you want to sell, if you want to earn profit, you have to sell in a higher rate. 2800 में बेच देंगे आप तो you will be zero earning. You sell to 2500 rupees will be you loss 300 rupees. So you have to sell, it will be higher than the manufacturing cost. Okay. So profit is equal to selling price minus total cost. It's very difficult to understand, but when we take a practical, यानी आप उसको बेच रहे हैं 3500 rupees में. For example, आपने देखा भाई approximately मुझे एक पंप पे इतने पैसे चाहिए, तो सेलिंग प्राइस आपने 3,500 रखा, तो कितना मिला? सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट, टोटल कॉस्ट कितना हो गया? 3,500 माइनस 2,800, आपको एक पंप के पीछे 700 रुपीज मिला. यू अर्न 700 रुपीज पर पंप. Alhamdulillah. But it is not a big amount. When you want a big engineer, big businessman, now come forward. Question number 4. How much amount will you earn if you sell 50 pump per day? एक पंप बेचना है तो यू आर नॉट स्मॉल, यू आर अ वेरी बिग बिजनेसमैन. तो 50 पंप बेचेंगे हम पहले ही महीने में इंशाल्लाह. तो एक ही दिन में हम 50 पंप बेचेंगे. उसके लिए यू नीड टू स्टडी वेरी हार्ड. You have very good communication skill. Your pump should be very good in quality. That's why your father and mother wants always you get a good marks in SSC. Your father want to study high. आपको, if you want to earn money, this connects with your studies. If you study good, very hard, and you understand, and you keep your mobile away, then inshallah your product will be, air pump will be more stronger. Your selling price will be more higher, and you will earn more money. So 50 आप पंप बना रहे हैं, बेच रहे हैं, एक पंप पे आपको मिल रहा है 700. यू आर अर्निंग 700 रुपीज पर पंप. सो 50 से, दिस इज अ मल्टीप्लीकेशन. व्हाई वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग? बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग 50 numbers. This number is higher, and we have per unit cost is 700. So this is always you do multiplication. Or if you want to do addition, then add 750 times. So understand why we are doing multiplication. 4th standard, 5th standard, understand. So multiplication is there, 50 into 700. So now 30,000, 5 7 is 35. 35,000 rupees एक दिन में कमाए भाई साहब आपने, माशाल्लाह. तो क्या बोलेंगे अगर कोई कमाए 3500? तो बार कल्ला बोलेंगे. मैं ऑलवेज व्हेन यू, अरे 35,000 कमा, अरे जलने, वी शुड नॉट बी jealousy to us, but मैं माशाल्लाह, बार कल्ला. So you inshallah, Allah will give barakat to you also. Now question number 5. How much amount will you earn per month having 25 working days to sell 50 pumps per day? Question is very simple. Just understand what he's asking. Inshallah, we take the further because already video is already very heavy of 17 minutes. Inshallah, we'll take the next video number 4th, inshallah. Okay. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.